Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to Shamir Backup SLIP0039 safely in Trezor Suite. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to use your Shamir Backup SLIP0039 safely in your Trezor Suite, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Trezor, and once you do this, you need to create a backup by generating shares and distributing them securely. So while always remembering your paraphrases and the threshold settings, you need to do this. So keep the shares physically separate in different locations and use a 2 of 3 or 3 of 5 setup for the best balance, security, and redundancy. So you need to first of all plan your backup, create the shares in Trezor Suite, securely store and distribute the shares, test your backup, and confirm your paraphrase is correct and works as expected during the test. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.